Hi everyone! I've finally finished my very first Boho junk journal. So I'm just here today to do a flip through of that and also explain how some things I did wrong and some things I did right and why. So it's a hardcover journal from a book that I got from the op shop. It is sari silk from India with gorgeous gold stitching on it, embroidery on it, and a flower I bought off one of the ladies in Boutique for Junk Journal Junkies. It was so long ago now, I'm sorry I don't remember your name, but if it was you, pipe up and say hi. I did put a dangle on it, but I added some trims and strings to make it a little bit more than what it was. I felt it was a bit plain when I first put it on it. But there's some lovely little trinkets on there, hearts, a lovely sun, if I can just flip that over. No, I can't. Some feathers, a hand, hearts. It's got some jingles on it and a feather on the end. And as I said, some trim. Turned out quite chunky, as you can see. And that's just the back. Now, when I open this, and it's attached by some sari trim, some gold and black sari trim. Now, when I did this book, it was a dark blue cover, and I wanted to lighten it a bit, so I gessoed the outside of the cover, but not the inside of the cover. And I didn't think about it until after, obviously, I'd done the cover, and inside the cover you'll see that the glue has come through the sari silk a little bit. And I honestly put that down to the fact that I didn't gesso the inside of the cover, which is quite interesting because I think that as gesso it also helped absorb some of the glue as well as sticking the fabric on. So next time I'll make sure I gesso both sides. It will be good for that. Just a little hint for you out there if you do these covers. This is my first time covering a hardcover book, so I'm pretty pleased with the way it came out. A few little mistakes, but otherwise I'm happy with it. So let's go inside. Now, I've been collecting a lot of boho stuff for a couple of years now, and you might recognise some of your things, and if I remember who I bought them off, I'll mention that in this video. So on the inside, we have some more trim from India, and this I received in a gift that I won a competition of from Judith McCarthy. She does absolutely beautiful, beautiful boho and stitching and materials, and I just thought it had to go in this journal somehow. Here you can see where the glue's come through. I've tried to hide it a little with this, but unfortunately I'll know better next time. So on the front I have a little boho, free spirit, radical, independent, nonconformist, eccentric, hippie, oddball, wild artist, free thinker, wanderer, adventurous, love, life and beauty, which I think is what a boho is all about. Why is my camera doing that? Sorry. Let's see if I can fix this. Why is my camera doing that? Aha, stopped it. My apologies for that. That's so annoying. This is a piece of vellum. So this is like a 3-tier pocket. a piece of vellum, and inside here I've got a tag I made. Get it back in there. Another pocket behind here with a gypsy lady and some trim and coffee dyed paper. And there's another pocket in here, a larger pocket. I haven't put anything in here. I've left some pockets fairly clear so that if somebody wants to put their own personal items in it. Now this paper, stained paper, is from Bonnie Wood. I bought it well over a year ago and it's absolutely beautiful. And I've just put some used stencil to put some things on there. A little belly band and another journal card with a little embellishment on it. I will put down in the bottom who I used some of the digital papers from. I didn't use her whole kit. She is from the Junk Journal Junkies Down Under group. I'll put her name down below and the kit below. I didn't use the whole kit, but I did use some elements from it, as you can see. And there's another lovely lady with some sari silk and some sequins on it. Just some sari silk all throughout this with little embellishments. I printed this paper out. Here is a envelope, sorry, I made. I'm tongue-tied today. A little envelope I made. There's nothing in it as yet. And it had some sequins and stuff on it and some sari silk and some paper. And I just made these little dangles on paper clips. I made them quite some time ago as well. And this paper again is from Bonnie Wood. Bonnie, you might recognise it. She has very distinctive coffee dyed paper. She manages to get these lovely almost wood-like stains in them. And I really love that. I don't know how she does it, but it's beautiful. Just another tuck spot here with some more boho ladies and little embellishments again on those. Coffee dyed paper and stenciling throughout. Here's the signature, the middle of the first signature. I was worried I didn't make my signatures big enough, but once I've put it all together, it is quite chunky. So now this is just another set of pockets I made and some more journaling cards and a tag. That's from the kit, but I embellished it a little further. And again, some more sari silk. And that was given to me the other day, actually, of another group from the Wishing Well. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. This is another Judith McCarthy design. It's a paper clip. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Not my design. Another envelope I made, again pinned on it with a charm that I made. This is again from Judith. I used it as a little flip, or you could use it as a tuck spot. But plenty of room for journaling in this book as well, if that's what you want to use it for. Another lovely charm that I bought. I'm trying to remember where now. Sorry, my cat's walking all over my printer. And this paper, again, you can tell from the trim that it's so perfect. That it's from Bonnie, and the lovely wood staining light coffee dyed paper. Another belly band. This one's from the kit. I just embellished it. And all these ladies are from the kit as well. I'll mention that down below. Another young bohemian person. Just embellished that. And some of you might have seen my paper clip. It's got a little tuck spot in there. Flips up. Some little charms. Some lovely lace, Indian lace pocket. And I made this particular, it's not out of the kit, I made this with some decoupaging a napkin and just some embellishments on there. And another lady. The ladies from this kit are absolutely beautiful, and that's why I bought it. Oh. And just more sari silk. This lady's gorgeous, I love her. And another journaling card with embellishments. Sorry, I've not got very good camera work today. Okay, this is some lovely trim that was gifted to me through a wish. It's quite some time ago again. And if you recognise your gift, please pipe up and say it was you. Thank you so much. This is just some dyed paper that I made, and I decided to put it in there, and a lovely stamp, which I thought was rather bohemian, with some more journaling space. And just some more journaling cards. They're all coffee dyed backed journaling cards. And these are out of the kit. Another little envelope I made. This is taken off a video that Bonnie Wood did, and I did this quite some time ago, and I love how they turned out. Bonnie has some wonderful ideas, and it's just so pretty on some music paper. Thank you, Bonnie. I've learned a lot from you this last year as well as others. Sometimes it's the simple things that make all the difference. Oh, that's not going in there. There you go. Again, more stenciling. This is the middle of the second signature. Love this image. I didn't put any dangles on the insides. It's already chunky enough. And there's quite a few dangles on the edges and on the cards. Another flip, but plenty of room for writing. Some more sari silk and embellishments. This is a paper clip that I made again, and I've just tucked in here some lovely ladies and a little lady. And I just love the trims on these. This is a pocket and a lovely lady out of the kit, and I've just put some trim on there and some sequins. Again out of the kit. This is an envelope I got a bit carried away with. It's a purple envelope, and I got very carried away decorating it, but I absolutely love it. It's got, I'm not sure if you can see on the camera, it's got gold and white and pink. It's very bright in this, so I do apologise. And I'm back. Sorry, I'm having technical difficulties today. Okay, so yes, that's just an envelope. There's nothing inside it at this stage. That's for people to put in whatever they wish. More dangles, some more sari silk, and ball pin with a little charm on there. Some trim as a side tuck. Some gorgeous ladies. Again, more paper from, this is more paper from Bonnie. This is again more paper from Bonnie with her little trims on the side. And I've got a little key there. Another lady tuck spot. Now I made this pocket out of some papers that I had that I thought were rather bohemian, and it's got the lace and the flowers, and I threaded through some trim through there and just put some diamantes on it. But it's many layered pocket. You could put much more in here than I have, but it would get thicker. But there's plenty of writing space and journaling cards in here, if that's what you like to do. Otherwise, you could add pictures or collect items and add them to it as well. Another beautiful piece of trim that was given to me, and some more lovely ladies. Another envelope in the style of Bonnie Woods. I call them Bonnie Wood envelopes. Just pop that in there too. This is from Judith again, her beautiful sewing, and her materials are absolutely gorgeous, and I just love it being on the page. I was going to make it into a tuck spot, but I decided not to. It was chunky enough here. Again, some more journaling cards and some material here. This is the middle of the third signature. So there's sari silk, charms, lots of beautiful materials. Another flip, another large flip this time with gold silky material. It's just gorgeous, and I thought that was made to be a flip. Oh, I forgot to put a little dingle on there, so I'll put something on there. And this charm is again from Judith. She made this. I can't make them. I haven't tried yet. I'll have to watch some videos myself on how to do these. I'm sure if I do, I'll get addicted. And it's another lady tuck spot, and some more journaling cards. Just another little tab, and that's Bonnie Wood's paper again. And there's the back. I haven't done anything to the back. But thank you so much for watching. Even though the glue comes through on the cover on the inside, I'm still really proud of what I've achieved. I am going to make a second junk journal, and I will show that to you, but that is going to a friend overseas as a gift. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. See you later. Bye.